Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 2 minutes. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So first of all, you have to insert a picture in the background. Be sure to use a high resolution image so that you can make a best template. Now go to insert tab and image and insert the same image on top of the background. You're going to crop it to aspect ratio of 16:9 and then cover the entire slide with it. Next, you're going to select it again, go to picture format, go to crop and crop it into half that it covers the half of the slide. Then go to format picture, go to artistic effect and give it this blur artistic effect and give it the radius of 100%. Next, you're going to insert a text box in which you're going to write the title of your slide. Increase its size, change its font. The font I'm using is Modern Love Regular. Next, what we're gonna do is change its color, and next we're gonna insert other content that we want to use in this slide. Next, what you're gonna do is just give them equal spacing. Now you're gonna insert a text box and you have to write half of your text in it and then increase its size and change its font. The font I'm using is Aberroni font. You can download it from Google Chrome. Next, what you're gonna do is duplicate the same text box and insert other text in it, and then you have to move the text box closer. Put one on the next. You're gonna select the picture and then the text box, give it subtract option. Next, what you're gonna do is give it the picture border of white. Next, you're gonna change this text box fill to white. Here you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is insert your content text in the bottom of your slide. So this is my content text. So that's all you have to do in this video. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download this free template from the link in the description below.